You want to see something really cool? I want to show you how I can use my USB microphone as an input into my mobile device. In this case, I'm using my Samsung S6 tablet. I could use my Android phone or my iPad or my iPhone, doesn't really matter, as long as it has support for OTG, I'm good to go. So what I want to do now is actually open up my voice recording software here. And you can see it's telling me that the external mic will be used to record the audio. That is this microphone. And this means I can capture quality professional audio for my podcast. Let me bring that closer to my mouth and actually start recording. So I'll go ahead and say, hello, welcome to today's podcast. On today's episode of This Dev Life, I will be sharing with you a lot of things that make life easy and fine. You can see the audio goes on fine and I'm good to go. The microphone is actually really good. I can stay at the distance and it captures audio. But for real quality audio, I can come close to the microphone and say a lot of good stuff about my show. Now, the default recording software that comes with my tablet is good enough to actually not have any noise for this. But watch where I will excel really well with this. I could save this if I wanted to, but of course I'll discard this. Let me go over into my MixPad software. Let me actually play this and see how it sounds. Hello, welcome to today's podcast. On today's episode of This Dev Life, I will be sharing with you a lot of things that make life easy and fine. You can see the audio goes. So let me go ahead and actually use MixPad to do the same recording. So I go ahead and hit record here and go ahead and verify that the audio option is actually my microphone. I go to audio options for track and select my USB microphone. One thing you don't want to do is use a microphone that is super powerful. For example, when I tried my Samson G-Track Pro on this, it didn't work. So you want to use a microphone that doesn't consume so much power. So this microphone is great for that. I could start speaking. Hit record. Calm down. Hello people, welcome to my podcast. How are you doing today? On today's podcast, I want to share with you some of the exciting things that have been going on in my life. I'm recording stuff concerning podcasts. I'm starting a new podcast. Yeah, I really am. I got to develop a podcast and I got things going on. And you can see, once I'm good with that, I could go on and do the noise filtering, clean out the noises from the audio to have some sort of quality audio. If I go to my tools area, clean up clip, auto spectral subtraction, make it go on for voice. This is one of the default things I do for any audio I record, to just first clean out the noise automatically, then listen for other noises and try to remove them. Now, once that is done, I follow the process of recording the audio on my software. You can check the video I did on that somewhere in the card that will show above me right now. And that is how I would use a USB microphone as an input to my mobile device to actually record my podcast. So maybe my lav mic is missing, or I just want to capture some, hi-fi audio. I'll be good to go. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think about using a USB microphone as your recording device on your podcast. Till I come your way again in another video, stay safe and goodbye.